Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a quick guide on how to get started with BlastBox Code. BlastBox Code lets you edit website content like text while keeping all the formatting and shortcuts intact. This tool is perfect for translators or creators who don't want to touch the code itself, but just want to edit the text, like making changes or translating a website into English. And the best part is completely free. First, we need to paste our HTML page in the Paste HTML tab. Once that's done, click Analyze HTML. BlastBox Code will automatically detect all the text and take you to the Edit Text tab. Here, you'll see all the text from your page in neat, editable fields. You can also try the Visual Editor Beta. Look at that. Here's our page in a visual view. Let's change the text. Say we rename it to Simple Editor. Done. Now let's check it in preview. You can see all the changes applied perfectly. Once you're happy, download your updated code. But that's not all. Check out the themes in BlastBox Code. You can change its appearance, and if you know some basic JSON, you can even create your own custom theme. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing with BlastBox Code.